Busy, busy, busy. I'm busy, 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 and so are all of us. Dun, 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 dun. We gotta thrive, we gotta thrive, we gotta be busy and enjoy. But if I'm busy, too busy, I can't handle it. Well, my girl, you know you can, you know you can. Just take a rest when you need and take a break when you need. Don't worry about being too busy. Dun 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 dun. Mama, girl, I don't know if I can handle it. Well, Melina, try taking a break once in a while, having a nap once in a while, having a good rest overnight, having a good sleep. Mama, I'll give it a try. You're so busy, you're so busy. Yes, Melina, totally enjoy it. Michael, Melina, having fun, busy as can be, but making sure they have rest when they need. Au revoir.